dear, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title, we are going to be doing a different type of video. I mean, this video like idea was going around like not too long ago, but like a little bit ago, and I didn't really see it on YouTube. I mostly seen it on like TikTok, Instagram, and all that good stuff. It's basically when you recreate like a makeup look that a family member, a friend, a loved one, whatever, stranger, I guess it could be a stranger, creates for you. So yeah, in today's video I'm going to be recreating this look that my mom made. I just made her do it on like a face chart because like usually I try to like create makeup looks from scratch. I'll do it like on a face chart just to make sure like everything looks good and stuff. So why is that doing that? Had her do it on a face chart. So this is the look I'm going to be trying. My camera is acting crazy. It's like focusing on different things, so I'm like, what is going on? I don't know what's going on. Okay, let me just try not to look at the monitor anyways. So yeah, I'm going to be recreating this look that my mom created, so this should be interesting. I feel like I'm probably going to be doing one of these for like each member of my family. Like I have like sisters and stuff that I'm gonna try to get them to create like a look so I can recreate. So yeah, in today's video we're just going to be recreating a makeup look that my mom created, and I'm really excited. So if you want to see that, then just keep on watching. So ignore this little like sunspot. I was like trying to wait, but I'm like, I just want to get this video like up and filmed. It's like getting on my nerves. I tried to like fix it, but it's like, I guess because I'm filming in front of like a window, it sometimes creates like a weird, I don't know, light, I guess. So yeah, that's why that's there. Hopefully you guys can like ignore it. It's so annoying though. Also, that intro was kind of like all over the place because I was like looking at my monitor because it was like doing some weird stuff. Like, do you guys know like the little like focusing thing? Actually, that's really creepy. The focusing thing that like goes around your face and it like focuses and like moves when you move. It was like up here. I should have recorded it so I can show you guys. It was like really weird. Yeah, I don't know. So it was just like driving me a little bit bananas in the intro. So I was like, what is going on? But so I'm gonna take the Makeup Revolution Alexis Stone palette, and I'm gonna take the first and second purple in the palette because this is like a purple look, and I'm gonna take those. I'm gonna start by putting it into the crease and blending it out. In the face chart, as you can see, it's like here and here it's like a sharp like line. I was like, I asked my mom, I was like, did you mean to do that? And she was like, not really. I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna recreate it exactly how the face chart looks, so I'm gonna like add that in later. Like after I'm done with everything, I'm just gonna like take some concealer and like sharpen like a blunt line after I like blend everything and everything. So I'm trying to recreate it very similarly to how the face chart is, because that's the whole point of the video. I'm gonna take the Morphe M433 and I'm gonna take the third purple in the palette, and I'm gonna put it in kind of like the front of the eye, but also blend it in kind of like a cut crease shape, if that makes sense, because that's kind of how it looks. I'm gonna take the Morphe M167 brush with the darkest purple and just like put it on my lid. So now I'm gonna take the Makeup Revolution concealer and I'm gonna just define like, so basically I'm just gonna take this and like go down here and here, because in the picture it's just very defined like lines. So oh my god, it looks so weird. I didn't realize how weird it would make my like nose look. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on the outer. Now I'm gonna take some of this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil and I'm gonna put it in my inner corner of my eye. And I'm gonna set that with the white from the Beauty Bay EYN for 2-color palette, which is called White Lies. Now I'm gonna do a wing liner. Why? Just keep doing that. Okay, now I'm gonna do a wing liner. Okay, and I know you guys are probably like, it doesn't like, there's a space between the eyeshadow and the eyeliner in the picture. There's also a space, so I'm just trying to do it how my mom drew it, so yeah. So now I'm gonna go off camera and do my foundation, and then I'll come back for this lip color, which is, I think this is gonna look very interesting on me. I might have to jazz it up a little bit by like putting some darkness around it because it's just too light. I feel like it's gonna look crazy on me. But yeah, I'm gonna go off camera, put on a lash, and then do my foundation, and then come back for lips and all that good stuff. So yeah, she didn't put anything on the face as far as like highlighter and stuff like that. So I think I'm just gonna do like my regular foundation routine and stuff. So yeah. Okay, so I just did my foundation, everything. Like I said, I put on a lash. I kind of look like a sloth right now, and I don't know why. But now I'm gonna do lips. So I got this purple that matches like the purple in the picture. Like I said, I think once I put it on, I'm gonna have to like go around it with like a darker shade because mom, like there's no way that I'm gonna look good with this like light purple shade. So I'm just gonna take this. Like I look crazy with this, and the picture is lighter than this, so yeah, I'm sorry, there's no way I'm doing this. I'm gonna add some darkness around it. Okay, that's a little bit better, but it still don't look that good. So yeah, this is pretty much the finished look. I'm just gonna go finish up, like fix my hair a little bit. I really want to add like some gems to this look, but I know it's not in the picture that my mom did, so I'm just gonna leave it. But yeah, let me just go fix my hair a little bit, and then we'll come back for like the finished look and everything. So, and like the side by side and all that good stuff. So yeah. Okay guys, this is the finished look of me recreating a makeup look that my mom created. I actually kind of like it. I feel like it looks very vampy, and like I didn't even like think about this before, like when I chose like the shirt that I'm wearing, but I feel like it all goes together. It looks very vampy. I like it a lot. Let's do like a side-by-side comparison. So I know the lips are like a little bit different, but other than that, I feel like I nailed it. Let me know what you guys think. So yeah, this video was really fun, and like I said, I think I'm going to be doing more for like my sisters and stuff, because like I just like recreating like face charts and stuff, whether I did it or not. I just think it's really fun to see like a face chart come to life on your face, or like something that someone else created come to life on your face. So I really like this. Yeah, I hope you guys liked it too. Let me know what you think down below. Let me know if you think I nailed it. Let me know if there's like, you're like, you could have did a little bit better. But like I said, the lips, I just had to do something about it because I was not liking the way it looked. So I had to do something about it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff is on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description box down below. We have an end of the year goal for 100 subscribers. I actually did hit 100 subscribers, but then it like went back down, which is fine. Usually I'll beat myself up over that because like with my anxiety and all that good stuff, I usually will like get into a slump, but I'm just like, it's fine. Hopefully we'll grow back. I mean, it was just 1 subscriber, but yeah, we're at 99 subscribers. So if you want to see us hit the end of the year 100 subscriber goal, then subscribe and turn on my post notifications to not miss another upload. I'm going to be doing like vlogmas, so I'm really excited for that. I'm still going to be just posting my Monday and Friday videos just because I don't really want to do it every day, because first of all, it's my first year doing like vlogmas, and I don't want to like add more stress to myself, because when I put like too much on my plate, I just end up not doing anything at all, and I don't want to do that. So it's just going to be like my Monday and Friday uploads. Maybe I'll throw a little video like throughout the week in there. But yeah, I'm really excited for vlogmas. If you guys are excited for me to do vlogmas, it's gonna be like vlogmas, also some like makeup videos thrown in there too. I'm still calling it vlogmas because like videos, blog, I think vlog means like video blog. This is technically a blog. This is technically a vlog if you think about it. Anyways, listen, don't question it. So yeah, if you're excited for vlogmas, then hit that subscribe button, also the notification bell so you're subscribed when I post those videos. I'm so excited. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.